Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. We are pleased to show you the 2019 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.